Investing in your business's image is a wise move, however. Not everyone can splurge on a professional designer or put aside the resources that larger corporations do for marketing. Tailor Brands is a revolutionary design software that allows individuals and businesses to create an entire brand identity with logos, typography, color patterns, and other elements across the web and print. Tailor Brands is built to handle it all. It makes your project look good across all of your platforms, from your Facebook page to your business cards to your website. Tailor Brands leverages artificial intelligence, AI, to streamline the logo design, branding process, business creation, management, and growth, particularly for entrepreneurs, startups, and businesses of all sizes. The online platform offers a range of solutions, from LLC formation to brand identity creation and business banking. With over 30 million satisfied business owners across 120 countries, Tailor Brands made launching and expanding a business easy and efficient. They employ software and artificial intelligence to design your company's look and feel and install it anywhere you desire. Tailor Brands is the best logo design and branding platform on the market right now. It offers AI-driven logo generation, social media marketing tools, website design, printworks, and much more to entrepreneurs and business owners. Watch this video to the end, and you will discover the promised benefits and how to effectively use this tool to increase your conversion rate without much hassle. Kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button as we continue with this Tailor Brands review. Also, make sure to check the description below for the best price, discounts, free tools, and free trial packages on Tailor Brands. What does Tailor Brands really do? Tailor Brands is a brand-building platform that simplifies every step of starting, managing, and growing a business by offering high-quality, customizable designs and a detailed collection of high-grade brand tools. It features an AI-powered logo maker with modifying capacities, business cards, branded products, and a range of social media sites are among the features. Tailor Brands allows non-designers to create a logo in just a few clicks and at a fraction of the usual price. Its machine learning technology helps organizations and internet site proprietors in producing reliable branding. In addition, Tailor Brands does not need a big style budget or any technical skill to produce high-quality logo designs. Tailor Brands is an automated and one-stop shop designed to help with business formation and launching, website building, and branding. From LLC formation, obtaining business permits and licenses, to crafting a unique brand identity and online presence, Tailor Brands has it all in a centralized and connected experience. Benefits and key features of Tailor Brands. Some of the benefits and unique features of Tailor Brands includes 1. AI-powered logo design. Tailor Brands help you create many types of professional logos depending on your business needs. The AI algorithm matches tons of styles, fonts, colors, and layouts while analyzing logo design trends to suggest unique logos. 2. Integration with social media tools. Tailor Brands integrates seamlessly with popular social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, and more. This allows you to easily share your content across multiple channels and helps increase visibility and reach. 3. Branding kit creation. Tailor Brands goes beyond logos. It offers branding kit options that include social media cover templates, business card designs, and other materials that incorporate your chosen logo, ensuring brand consistency across various touchpoints. 4. Versatility in design options. The AI algorithm in Tailor Brands Logo Maker is designed to provide a wide variety of designs. Whether you prefer minimalist designs, icon-based logos, or more complex designs, the platform caters for diverse design needs and preferences. 5. Versatile logo formats. Once you finalized your logo, Tailor Brands allows you to download it in various formats. This enables you to use your logo in different contexts, whether it's for your website, social media, print materials, or even merchandise. 6. Customization and flexibility. Tailor Brands places a high value on user input, allowing for customization at every step of the design process. You can change the color palette, tweak the font style, or adjust the logo layout. Tailor Brands offers a degree of flexibility that's pretty unique in the world of AI logo makers. Tailor Brands pricing and plans. Tailor Brands offers a pricing model based on annual contracts. The paid plans include the basic, standard, and premium plans. If you sign up using the link in the description below, you will get discount offers and unlimited branding tools on all plans. How does Tailor Brands work? Tailor Brands uses artificial intelligence to build and unify your brand identity. To get logos on Tailor Brands, you need to answer a short questionnaire about your brand preferences and company. The AI logo generator then provides you with a ton of unique logo designs to match your business. With Tailor Brands, you can make your own logos for free and only pay when you love them. Pros: easy-to-use interface and tools that make launching a business a breeze. A one-stop shop for business formation, website building, and branding. AI-powered designs, built-in customization, and social media management tools for building brands and establishing online presence. Includes high-quality logo files, access to stock photos, and website builder. Users can get a personalized branding kit with business cards, branded merchandise, branded templates, and more. Excellent customer support and live chat from real humans. Hence, no free trial option is available. You can sign up with the link in the description below for discount packages on all plans. Conclusion: Tailor Brands is an excellent option for a cost-effective and quick method to create a logo. It empowers small business owners and solo online merchants to stand their ground against the big boys. Tailor Brands' AI algorithm makes logo design very easy. Its wide range of possible designs allows the user to discover the most suitable choice. The logo maker uses your business name to create a genuinely unique logo that is particular to your business. It also offers more than just a design service by providing branding options when you upgrade to the premium package. The final version of the logo usually comes in both text and symbol, and you do not require any design skill to navigate or create a unique logo. Tailor Brands' AI logo maker proves to be a game changer in the realm of design. It's an excellent resource for graphic designers, offering a balance between automation and creative control. As we continue to navigate the digital landscape, integrating tools like Tailor Brands' AI logo maker into our toolkit might just be the innovative step we need. You can check the link in the description below to sign up and get access to premium tools that will help improve your experience with Tailor Brands. If you enjoyed this Tailor Brands review, kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button for future reviews.